convergent or divergent. We will solve this series with the help of limit comparison test. Limit comparison test. For series summation an and summation bn, if limit n tends to infinite, an divided by bn equals finite and positive value, then both series summation an and summation bn convergent या both divergent. We take this as an. So summation n equals 1 to infinite an. Now bn equals highest power of n in numerator is n into n square divided by highest power of n in denominator is n square into n cube into n to the power 4 n to the power 4 equals 1 upon n square. Limit n tends to infinite an upon bn equals limit n tends to infinite n into n plus 3 upon n square plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 5 divided by bn n square upon 1 equals limit n tends to infinite n square into n cube. From here we will take n common, n 1 plus 3 divided by n. From here we will take n square is common, 1 plus 1 divided by n square. From here we will take n common, n 1 plus 2 divided by n. From here we will take n common, n 1 plus 5 divided by n. N cancel out, n cube n square into n. Now we will put the limit in this. 1 plus 3y infinite is 0 upon 1 plus 1 upon infinite is 0 into 1 plus 2 divided by infinite is 0 into 1 plus 5 upon infinite is 0. 1 upon 1 equals 1. Finite and positive value. Now we will check series Bn whether series Bn is convergent or divergent. Summation n is equal to 1 to infinite Bn equals summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 1 upon n square. We will solve this series with the help of p-series test. P-series test summation n is equal to 1 to infinite 1 upon n to the power p convergent if p greater than 1 and divergent if p less than equals 1. Here p equals 2 greater than 1. By p-series test, series summation bn is convergent. Then by limit comparison test, series summation an is also convergent. Thanks for watching.